everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is me again, Chat, and today I'm going to show you how you can create this very fancy letter or with a gradient. So you can do this in all letters in the alphabet. Good luck with that, but I'll show you one trick or a few tricks that you can design your letters. So here I'll have a new document here. So first I'm going to go to elements and then type in gradient, because I'm going to find that gradient first and make my own. So if you have a brand color, you can do this with your brand colors. So I'm just going to find for that one with the three, yeah, there you go, with the three colors. So I'm going to choose this one and change it to that, and this, and this. I think that's, maybe I don't like it the other way, and that. All right, and just do it like this. Okay, so now once you have this, download it, PNG suggested, and then just download the page 3 and hit on download. So once you've downloaded it, upload it again, and I already have it here. So now I can do the letters. So I go to elements again, and I search for, let's say, a real face frame. You need to use the frame. So let's do letter D again. You can choose any letter that you like. Okay, make it bigger. And in my uploads, I'll just drag this onto my letter and resize it so it covers everything. There you go. There you have it. And now you can easily design this already, but for the effects that I want here, the shadow effect, I need to download this one and remove the background. So because if I just I can't do anything here, I don't have any effects here because this is a frame element. So I'll just need to download this PNG, and if you're on Pro account, you can click on transparent background, or you can simply delete the background here already. But if you're on a free account like mine, just download this, and then once you've downloaded it, just remove the background with any background remover that you're using. Me, I use remove.bg, and then I just upload this and it removes everything. So once you've done that, download the file and then upload it again to Canva. So I have it already here with no background. So that's the transparent background. So I delete this again, and I use this one, the one that I've just uploaded, and remove the background. So there's no background here anymore. And let's center this. And now I've got effects filter. I'll click on that. And here on shadows, I just use this drop shadow. There you go. And you can also change the settings here. All right. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Oops, sorry. There you go. Now you have that. So now I can go to elements, and then I can find some gold leaves. I'm just using this one, and I'll just rotate this, resize it, and maybe a little bit more, and there you go, and like so. All right, and then I copy it again, resize it a little bit smaller. Then you can position it and send to back, and that's it. And you can do this to every letter that you want to use, or if you want to do every letter in the alphabet, then go ahead and do so. It's very tedious, and you have to download it and then upload it again, but it's worth it in the end. So if you have a brand colors, then you can use it as a gradient. So that's it. I hope you love it, and leave some comments down below if there's anything that I missed in this tutorial, or if there's any tutorial that you want me to create. So keep watching and keep learning. I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys.